Disclaimer. Be advised that I'm not a professional trader or advisor. I am sharing my trading journey for entertainment purpose only. Any opinions, news, research, analysis, price, or other information contained in this video is my own opinion and does not constitute investment advice. I will not accept liability for any loss or damage, including, without limitation to, any loss of profit, money, asset, or any valuables which may arise directly or indirectly from use of information in this video. Trading foreign exchange, indexes, stock market, futures, commodities, energy, precious metal, etc. carry a high level of risk, and please trade on your own research and assessment. Please seek advice from a professional financial advisor for your trading needs. Hello my friends, welcome to Trading with KS. I think today everyone want to know one question, right? Can KLSE rebound? Okay, let's dive into the chart. Let's dive into the KLCI chart. So we talk about 1555, right? So what we see, okay, so the market, about Malaysia, Bursa people, everyone also see this, okay, this support resistance line, right? 1555. Okay, so you see many times, let me take out my drawing tool first. Many times, the price reach here, okay, support, okay, push the price up. The price reach here, push the price up a little bit. Last time, okay, when the market is doing better, when the price reach this area 1555, okay, the market push it up. Okay, so this one today, right, there is a attempt to push, but the push is very big. Okay, the push is very big. Let's zoom in. Okay, you can see, right, today there is a push, but at the end of the day got sold down, so the push is not very big. So if we can see, okay, Monday next week come in a few more days of a green candle, okay, like this one, right? Okay, it went through the 1555, it pushed back, then after that a few more days green candle, okay, then maybe there is a possibility to reverse. Short term, okay, short term, because there is also a channel over here, you can see, there is a channel over here yet to be broken, okay, this channel. Okay, so until it can break this channel, right? Okay, and 1576, okay, this broken support resistance area, so the price could continue to come back down. Okay, so basically, what I'm saying is that between 1576 and 1555, there's nothing to play. Okay, nothing to play. So very risky. Okay, very risky around here. Nothing to play. And okay, if it broke below 1555, so there is everything to lose. Okay, nothing to play, everything to lose. Okay, so hopefully it doesn't break below 1555. If next week we got some kind of this, okay, formation of a few green candle, okay, is opportunity, what I can say, right? If I am holding a lot of stock, okay, what I will do is, if I'm holding a lot of stock, a lot of big stock, okay, I invest quite heavy on it. Okay, now I'm starting to lose money, right? Because here, right, okay, I'm starting to lose money. Okay, so if it rebound, come back to 1576, okay, my stock, the stock that I hold, right, goes back to break even. Okay, break even, right? So I will exit some of it first. Okay, maybe cut my risk to half. Okay, maybe cut my risk to half. Okay, or maybe quarter. Okay. So I don't want to take so much risk, because this one, until it can prove that it can break above here, okay, even though it rebound, okay, there is still a lot of resistance over here to push it down, and RSI is still below 50, okay, RSI is below 50, so so this is still dangerous. Okay, I'm not saying that it will not come back up, okay, because last time, right, when it went down, okay, there is a push up, okay, from the market, okay, from our savior market. There are people protecting our KLCI, Okay, not to drop below 1555 become a bear market. Okay, of course, okay, there are many interest party, okay, in our market, right, doesn't want a bear market. Okay, who want a bear market? Nobody wants a bear market, right? Okay, so there is some protection over here. Now we see some protection, but there is still a lot of pressure. Okay, and today the push up is not not very successful. Okay, but no doubt it stopped the pain. It stopped the pain, but not successful. Okay, so what I will do here, okay, if next week got a push over here, okay, I will lower my risk in the market. Okay, it's an opportunity for me to exit all the trade that doesn't make money. Okay, come back to break even, I will exit first. Okay, so anything what I want to jump in big, wait for the breakout. Okay, wait for the bull market come. Okay, then maybe you want to re-enter. Okay, re-enter is anytime playing big bull market. Anytime is much better than bear market. You don't need a lot of bull market, right? You don't need to be a very expert. Okay, you don't need to be market seafood. Okay, you see a few momentum stock you buy, right? Most likely the momentum will still continue to go. Oh, so but this kind of market, okay, you don't lose money, it's already considered good. Okay, already considered good if you don't lose money in this kind of market. Don't talk about earn a lot of money. There are people still can earn money, but it's quite difficult. Okay, very difficult. So most will be losing a lot of money on this. Okay, this type of run. So next week, okay, so we see whether next week it continue to drop down, whether the market want to save it or not. Okay, the market save it, there will be should be a short rebound. Okay, the market will be have a short rebound. Okay, this short rebound, okay, temporarily, okay, I will, okay, cut down my risk. Wait for a better market opportunity. Okay, wait for a better market opportunity. Only, okay, those who haven't cut down the risk, by right, okay, when I talk about here, right, okay, I already said all play small, no more play, okay, no more play big, okay, because, okay, the market over here is very big, okay, very big. Okay, but never mind. So we go into the global market, take a look at global market. So KLCI still managed to go up 3.9. Okay, they must push it up today. If they don't push it up today, okay, next week will be an onslaught of bear market. Okay, so they must push it up, at least give some hope to investor, at least to have some hope for next week. If this week, if today break down from the bear market, but break down, okay, from the support, next week will be onslaught. So Singapore went up 1.9 points, Hong Kong 405, not bad. South Korea 16 points, Japan 190 points, Thailand up 1.9 points, down 1.9 points, sorry. Philippines up 64 points, so market quite strong. China 304 points up, FTSE, China SSE 40 points up, SE 219 points up, Australia 32 points up, New Zealand 10 points up, Indonesia 10 points up, New Zealand 39 points up, Taiwan 95 points up, India Nifty 76 points up. So basically the market, okay, the Asian market is strong today. Look at Europe, UK 3 points up. UK is bearish. Okay, UK yesterday they come up with the Bank of UK come up with the what they call it, the interest rate, right? Interest rate, right? The interest rate for revision, right? Okay, so they remain the 0.1, but overall, right, the whole speech come out is bearish. Okay, it's bearish, means they are not positive on the market. So DAX also is down 50 points despite the strong PMI numbers. So look at US Dow Jones. Dow Jones is up 322 points. So US is strong. That's why you see the Asian market follow, right? Okay, US is strong. The Dow Jones is 322 points up. S&P is 24 points up, and Nasdaq is 97 points up. Okay, so US market is strong. Palm oil up a little bit. Brent oil, okay, still holding 75, 35, still okay. And crude oil is 73.06. Brent oil is 75, 35, okay, still strong. So gold, okay, gold went up a bit, 1,784. Silver also went up a bit, 26. So market today, the US index is a winner. Okay, the Asian market also is a winner. Okay. So look at our local market. So today market sentiment also not good. 30 only. Okay. Losers is 294. Gainers is 294. Losers is 698. So market is also all red today. Okay. Only industry. Okay. Industry got some recovery. 0.68. So others, all the market, all the others are dropped. So energy again big loser. Okay, energy, so don't play energy anymore despite the price. Oil price is still good, but still a big loser. So today also I didn't post much. I only talked about GHM. If GHM can break above 1.905, then possible opportunity. Okay, but it's still today it did not break above 9.05. So there's some question. Okay, question. Let's check out. So Paramount, Tammy asked about Paramount. Okay, long time I never check out Paramount. Okay, take a look at Paramount. Silver, thank you. So Ren was saying talk about ESCERAM. Okay, today we take a quick look at ESCERAM. Also, Kavi Mahan asked about MISC. Okay, take a look. MISC also long time didn't look at MISC. This one DE, right? DE, right? If I'm not mistaken. Want to ask about PE. PE, I think I better do one separate video just to talk about PE because I don't want to mix with technical analysis. Okay, become confusing. So Vicky Cam asked about the Naga, MYG, YTL. Okay, take a look also. A long time also I didn't check out all these. DNO, CIS, CI holding, end-to-end HABOUR link. Okay, later we take a look. This one, Kelvin, this one, really very happy to see. This Kelvin post. He said, "Hi Sifu, thanks for your daily update. Just want to drop an encouragement to this channel. I was making losses for last few months, not knowing a single thing about technical analysis. But since I started watching your video from mid-May and started using my free time to learn more myself, I have managed to profit a lot in June simply by using chart, despite being in the bear month." So he said, if only I could find this channel earlier, even though I think I know what I'm doing, I still find myself watching every of your daily update. Yeah, there's still a lot of things to share. Okay, there's still a lot of things to share. So market, there are a lot of changes now. We're in bear market. So bull market, there's other things that we might look to. Okay, don't forget, follow this channel. There's still a lot of things to talk about. But thank you for this your post. So this is very important. Okay, this is also very meaningful to me. Okay, as long as so that I know right what we are doing here, what I'm doing here actually. Okay, can really help you guys. Okay, and don't stop. Okay, technical analysis or fundamental analysis. We are into technical. Okay, do continue to learn. Okay, do continue to learn. Do continue to watch the chart because we need to have an advantage when we go into the market. Okay, we don't want to go into market blind. Okay, similar, even though you are investing or you are doing anything, let's say you want to be let's say you want to open a restaurant, right? Okay, you want to open a restaurant. Of course, you need to learn as much as you could about recipe, how to make good, how to make your drink, okay, taste good, how to make your drink. How to make your food taste good, all these things. Of course, you have to know. Okay, the more you know, okay, the better recipe you can come out. Of course, the better, okay, your business will become like similar also. Okay, so if you don't know a single thing about food, you want to go open a food store, right? Open a restaurant, right? Okay, you expect business just come like that, it's very difficult. So this is just similar or similar. Okay, it's just uh, we need to at least know what we do. Okay, we need to learn and know what we do. Okay, so you see right, like here right, you see this one today. Today only newspaper talking about hot. Okay, this means okay, hot stock GENETEC they're talking about hot stock today, right? So you see from technical analysis, right, GENETEC, right? I show you GENETEC, right? So if you read the news, right, most likely these few days only, okay, you see GENETEC. Okay, so the news come out, right? We talked about here take profit already. Remember, okay, this area. Okay, we talk about the breakout over here. Okay, opportunity, the breakout over here. If it can continue go up, opportunity to buy, right? So we already profit over here. Today only news come out talking this is a hot stock. Because these are the area that I told you guys. Okay, this is a take profit area already, right? So you see how the market works, right? Okay, market will give you profit, but you are the last 5%, 10% they give you. Okay, 90% they already make. From here, if we follow technical analysis, right? Okay, at least we make the 50%. Okay, we cannot make the 190%. Okay, as all the organization, right? All the fund managers. Okay, so at least okay, we don't make the 90%. Make the 90%. We at least make the 50 to 60%. Okay, where else? If you follow the newspaper, you are making probably the 10%. Some more, you are taking the high risk of the price dropping back down. Okay, this is some different some of the information. So Busan now recommend Xinhua. So Xinhua, the bosses actually did some okay, a payment that is not supposed to do okay, in listing the company. In the listing requirement, market listing requirement, so they cannot find. So this one, let's see whether it did any damage to the stock. So far no damage. Okay, so far no damage, no big drop or anything. Okay, now it's consolidating in a triangle, right? So this one is not opportunity. Okay, you want to buy this stock, better wait for it to drop, break outside the triangle first. Break outside the triangle, the price would be somewhere around here. Zero now is 0.37, right? Somewhere, okay, above 0.43, hold above 0.43, then possible, okay, opportunity to go up. Or else this one is in consolidation. In consolidation, don't play unless you are expert. So Gamuda earning jump 3-4, but the market is not very optimistic. Okay, of the further down this year. Further down this year they already cut their this target down. Okay, to 4 ringgit. So we take a quick look. Gamuda. Okay, so Gamuda, right, already drop outside the channel, right? Drop outside the sideways channel. Okay, so this one, if the price can go back inside the channel and hold way back inside the channel, maybe there's opportunity, okay, to buy towards the Maybank target for 4 ringgit. Okay, but this one still it already dropped outside the channel. Unless it can go back in the channel, so this one better not play first because it might still continue to go down before it go up. Okay, so they are talking about long term analysis, fundamental. Okay, so this one looking at the chart, this one already broke below this. Okay, so remember our chart analysis. Support. Okay, this support. Support. Now broken become resistance. Okay, so now the special keep on want to push the price down. Unless it can go back up, okay, then there's opportunity. Okay, if it cannot go back up, better don't enter first. So Maybank upgrade EcoWorld to buy, okay, on the weakness, on share price weakness, so they say EcoWorld is a buy. EcoWorld we already talked about. EcoWorld already talked about here, right? The breakout over here, okay, if the price can go above 0.655 opportunity, so we already talked about here, okay. So this one, the price is going up to 0.755, our target, okay, our target over here, okay, short-term target, okay, long-term target. So this is the target that Public Bank give us 0.98, okay. So there is a possibility if you can hold long time, okay, the price can go to 0.98. So how we going to do? How we going to play is that if the price reach 7.55, right, it cannot break above, okay, it cannot hold above 0.755. Likely it will come down, okay. So this target, right, likely will long term, okay, then only could be long term, only it can reach there. If it can break above 0.755 and hold above 0.755, okay, this is this top, okay, if it can break above 0.55, hold above 0.55, okay, means, okay, it could reach this Public Bank target in the shorter term, okay, means this move, one move, maybe two move already reached, okay. If it cannot come back, maybe, okay, 3, 4, 5 wave only, okay, it will reach, okay. So this is the different, this is how we see it. So EcoWorld again, in line with earning, okay. So EcoWorld got very positive report. So that analysts cut Gamuda annual expecting earning recovery delayed by FMCO, by MCO. So they're expecting their earning will drop in the later part of the year. That's why they recut their target price to 4 ringgit. Used to be 4 point something, 4.5 or 4.9. Okay, now already dropped back to 4. So our CPI number rise, but below forecast. So this is all the bad news. All the bad news. This is all the bad news. These are the, okay, one of the reason why the KLCI, right? The KLCI is in such a bad condition. Okay, this already bad news. Okay, the really bad news. Some more our CPI number miss target. Okay, so another bad news coming out. So more and more bad news coming out. The COVID is not coming. Okay, COVID is not going. Okay, COVID is not haven't cut down yet. Today still 5,008, and the government now delay. The government is delaying the parliament. Okay, they are obviously trying to avoid something very big. We don't know. I don't know. I'm not a politician. I don't know yet. I also don't want to say too much. Okay, because this is not my field, but they're delaying something. But everybody is worrying about the government, very worried about the MCO. Everybody is worrying about the COVID. Okay, and now we got another thing to worry. The GDP already talking about dropping to 4.5. Okay, now the CPI also missed expectation. So more and more bad news coming out. This Dato' T, the owner of Kejar Prospect, right, who bought over E&O, very strong entrepreneur. Genting, okay, Genting, Lim Kok Tai, right, Lim Kok Teh, sorry, super confident on the US business, okay. So the news 4.3 billion Las Vegas resort and casino. Okay, so this one I already talked about Genting. So just I see this news just to bring it out today. So COVID is 5812. Okay, so this one don't go back to 4,000, right? People are not confident. So hybrid parliament sitting expected. Some more hybrid also still need to be August. Okay, end of August or early September. So now it's June, you know, how you just want to open a parliament, need to organize for how many months? 2 months to organize a parliament meeting. Just too funny lah, just bring it up. COVID vaccination, over 51,000 frontliners. This one, right? Don't know whether it will have any boost to transportation. So maybe take a look at transportation, because the vaccination right now, once all this transportation industry has been vaccinated, right? Don't know this one if you actually bring up the, increase the volume of this transportation or not. Also, this one just something that that just bear in mind to watch out, see whether there's any boost to the logistic or transportation or not. So economic indicators show recovery but impact on pandemic waves. So all this now they are trying to all these statistic department, right, is trying to help the help the KLCI from falling, right. So they are trying to put some good news despite all the bad news in the market. They are trying to inject some good news. So the market don't continue to fall. But they can put whatever good news. I think the market are not taking it, because market has been hammered by too many negative things, right? Hammered by too many negative things and too many things that that doesn't happen. That didn't happen. So I think market a bit unhappy. If that is an understatement. Server dynamic daily operation is running as usual. Group revamp is needed. So they are trying to when company in all this trouble, right? So there will be a lot of revamp on their top leaders, So those top leaders who got problem, not to say problem, who got who might have be linked to those thing that is a red flag, right? Might get removed, all these things. Of course, it's like that. Or when you run a public company, you have to maintain your PR. So people that is that will affect affect your business. They will try to put them low key. Put them in one side, so people don't remember them, or they might submit them to other company, all these things. So it's normal. So MEF. But if they are doing that right, what do you think? If they want to, based on this red flag, they want to reshuffle, right, revamp, right, that is a red flag. If they done nothing wrong, right, if I done nothing wrong, right, will I revamp? I don't know lah. This is just my thought just my thought. So MEF again plead the government. Maybe they did not do anything wrong. Don't sue me. I just say there's a possibility. Maybe they don't do anything wrong. They just want to revamp, so make their management stronger. Make their management stronger. That could be just the reason. So I don't want to speculate all this. This is not up to me. We just want to see the chart. We want to see opportunity. We go. MEF again plead government to end full lockdown. This is another funny thing, right? Our full lockdown is not a full lockdown, right? If it's a full lockdown, right? If a full lockdown, right? Our consumers, our consumer V-shaped recovery already fly, right? So there is the indicator that we can see. If it doesn't fly, it means it's not full lockdown, right? Done with that. GENETEC, Gamuda, ECOWORLD, Singhua, Paramount. Today we got asked, we got a friend asked about Paramount, ESCERAM. Let's look at Paramount. Long time I didn't check Paramount. Just since you guys bring it up, just take a quick look. So Paramount basically is still sideways in consolidation, in a triangle consolidation. Doesn't look a lot of energy. Doesn't look a lot of energy to go up. Price already come back to the bottom of the RSI. Most probably we have a small rebound. Most probably we have a small rebound over here. Because RSI already oversold. RSI oversold, it could be a rebound. Okay, so the my RSI PowerPoint already finished. Okay, so hopefully tomorrow Sunday I can do the recording. Okay, then I can publish in 1 or 2 days, maybe Sunday or maybe Monday. So I already did my 4th chapter. The 4th chapter will be on RSI. Okay, the 4th chapter, the 4th video will be on RSI. Okay, already done the PowerPoint, already presentation, already done, finished. So only haven't record. So this one, the RSI, okay, already oversold. Maybe there is a small, okay, rebound. So this one we want it to go above 0.835 only buy. Okay, and of course RSI 50, okay, must align. This one went up, RSI went up above 50. Okay, this one breakout, okay, and volume come. Okay, so these three must align, right? Then only we talk about this one opportunity, right? So ESCERAM, Chen Xining, right? Our friend asked about ES. We just take a quick look on ESCERAM. I think many people already got caught ESCERAM of this because of this rebound, this very big rebound. Okay. So our cut loss, I talk about this one, right? If you're holding this cut loss 0.76 must cut. Okay, hold above 0.76 means only above 0.76 can hold, below cut. So those who didn't cut, okay, kena 30% already down, okay, 30%. So what will happen here, okay? How any opportunities to run? Look at this. Okay, so there is a support resistance line over here. Means this price, right, got supported before. Okay, it got supported before. Means there are buyers. Okay, possible there are buyers over here. Okay, but I don't think this one will be a buy opportunity. Okay, this one is an escape opportunity because buy opportunity already gone. Above this trend line, okay, above this trend line is buy. Okay, above this trend line is buy. Below this trend line is sell. Okay, so this one only you got opportunity to sell. Okay, the price, I put a price over here, 0.47. Okay, so if the price can be supported by 0.47, there could be a sharp rebound. So this is the opportunity to run. Okay, not opportunity to buy, opportunity to run. Opportunity to run. Okay, so if the price continue to drop, then I got nothing to say lah. Or I think if it continue to drop below 4.7, 0.47, then maybe you have to decide to cut. Or okay, or similar to those already bought top glove, okay, at the high, okay, at the high 7 ringgit, 8 ringgit. So you have to hold long time before the market rebound. Okay, maybe, okay, could be years, could be months, could be years. Okay, because currently all the news about glove is bearish. Is okay, is negative. Okay, negative news about. I think he also wrote here. I think you really know. He said today today investment bank, right, already bring the price lower. Okay, already adjust the price of the glove to be lower. So this one already talk about this, okay, many times now. This although ESCERAM is maker of mold of glove mold, right, but it will be affected also because it's in the industry of making glove, right. Consider similar industry, not making glove, making the mold, but similar, right. Their target is still making glove. Okay, but this one could have different. Okay, so it's not will not follow 100% glove. That's why this one could have a rebound over here. Okay, could have a rebound over here for you to run. Okay, a rebound over here maybe to bird 0.63 or maybe higher 0.75. Okay, so the rebound is a chance to run. Tenaga. So Tenaga looks very big. Okay, I kind of hope that okay, after because now the MCO has not ended. So, okay, I kind of hope that it still can hold above 0.9897, 9895. Sorry, 9.895, right? Now it's 9.9. Okay, still holding above 9.895. I kind of hope that it still can hold here, okay, because now it's MCO. So MCO, a lot of business not working, a lot of business not open, all this. So the usage of electricity will down, right? Will be down. Okay, so after MCO, okay, most likely all the factory goes back 100%, office goes back 100%, most likely, okay, the use of energy will be higher. So this fund could have an impact, but slowly it might be able to go back up. Okay, so this one temporary hold first. If it doesn't drop too low, right? Temporary hold first. If it drop below 9.895, okay. If no losses, if not lost a lot, maybe cut first. Okay, wait for the proper recovery, which is above. It goes back up above this triangle. Okay, above this triangle, go up, go exceed this triangle, above this triangle, then maybe go back in. Because we don't know now it's 5,000. Later another 2 weeks, right? But CMCO, CMCO, whatever EMCO, another MCO, another new type MCO come in, then extend another, okay, another 1-2 weeks. We don't know, okay, another 2 weeks, because now it's still 5,008. 5,008 you can end MCO. I don't think how to end MCO when we still got 5,008. Then you know then the MCO, the effective of MCO, how you going to measure it? MYEG. MYEG is big, after the breakout, we talk about 1980. You need to hold, you need to hold above 1980 only, okay, opportunity to invest. If you cannot hold above 1980, okay, better cut. So this one better really cut. If not cut, right, look for 1.785. See whether it can rebound. If cannot you can rebound from 1.785, still can hold if you haven't cut. Okay, if drop below 1.785, right, continue to drop, then cut it first. YTL. So YTL also starting to drop, okay, drop out the channel, drop out the triangle already. So don't play, okay, don't play this one unless, okay, it can come back above the triangle and break this triangle, okay, and break this triangle. Then only, okay, you want to go in. Okay, now looks like you want to continue to drop. Already break below the, okay, already start to break below the triangle. Okay, means already start to bear. Going to the bear market. This YTL looks like it. End to end, I'm not very familiar. Telco, I'm not very familiar. Okay. So end to end, basically end to end right now it's in the channel. Okay, you can see it's in the channel. Okay, you can see channel. Basically very simple in the channel. Cheap, expensive. Buy channel bottom, sell channel top. Wait for it to come back to channel bottom, sell, and then go sell at channel top. Okay, channel bottom around 0.74, channel top around 0.9. Unless the price continue to break above channel top, okay. Once you break above channel top and hold above channel top, then buy channel top and sell, okay, the top of another channel, similar length here to here, okay, so sell the top over here. If you can break, okay, if you can hold above, if cannot, okay, wait for the price to come back to a fair price. HABOUR. So HABOUR got a channel also. You can see HABOUR got a channel also. So very simple. Okay, the price up here is expensive, come back down is cheap. So whenever the price come back down to to this bottom channel, okay, it should be around 0.97 this area, okay, then maybe only buy, okay, then sell at the top of the channel. Okay, sell at the top of the channel. Top of the channel possible around this price. Okay, 1.2, okay, 1.25, or this area. Revenue. So if I miss some stock, okay, the next time only I'll talk about it because I don't want this video to be too long. So the revenue is very dangerous, okay, revenue already almost making a head and shoulder. So this one, if it drop, okay, drop below 1.83, this one might continue to go, okay. So this one no more, better don't buy anymore, okay. Don't invest anymore unless, okay, the price drop down lower to 1.83, can show rebound, okay, around this area, okay, can show a rebound or this area, then possible. Okay, if the price drop below 1.83, okay, so this is most likely a head and shoulder. So we got friends asking about head and shoulder, all this, right? I want to do a video about it. Or just talking here, I don't think you can understand, okay, the head and shoulder and the double top, all these things. Okay, maybe I do a video about it so you guys can we can actually, okay, can find the, remember we talked about, okay, seeing the chart, where is the opportunity, okay, where is the danger. Now you can spot the danger, right? You can really start to spot the danger, okay, you can really start to spot the danger. So the danger is here, okay, break 1.83, okay, run. Okay, now is not the time to invest. Okay, so that's it for today. So hopefully next week KLSE come back with a recovery. So don't forget, okay, if you are new here, remember subscribe. Okay, I do 2 videos every day, one Chinese, one English. 7 to 8 o'clock I will upload online, so we will talk about all the interesting in the news, in the KLSE news, and also the stock. Okay, with technical analysis, we analyze the stock that is interesting. Okay, and remember Facebook Trading with KS. Any hot thing that I see, okay, any interesting that I see, okay, before the end of in the morning session, I will put it on the around lunchtime. I will put it on my Facebook first. Okay, okay, remember like is the most important thing. Okay, this is my energy to continue, and remember to share it with your friends so we can grow the channel together. So thank you for watching, thank you for your comment, and stay safe from COVID. Bye bye.